Elite Tax Success presents Declaring Rental Income. What you need to know. Earning money from renting out property, whether here in Australia or overseas, comes with specific reporting requirements. At Elite Tax Success, we guide landlords through exactly what needs to be declared so there are no surprises at tax time. Income that must be reported. All rental income must be included in your tax return, such as short-term holiday rentals, income through online rental platforms, leasing out part or all of your own home, renting to family or friends at rates below market value. This obligation applies regardless of where the property is located. Forms of rental income. Not all rental income is paid in cash. Sometimes it's goods or services. You'll need to calculate the dollar value of any non-cash payments. Income related to your rental can also include bond money retained for unpaid rent or property damage, cancellation fees you keep when bookings are withdrawn, insurance payouts for natural disaster damage, unexpected property damage, loss of rental income, disaster relief payments you receive, reimbursements from tenants for repairs, government incentives for purchasing depreciating assets, for example, a solar water system, lump sum rental amounts, accessible sums linked to limited recourse debt arrangements, when rent is considered domestic. If the payment you receive from family members is for board or lodging, it's considered a domestic arrangement. You don't report it as income and can't claim deductions. But if you lease to relatives or friends, you must determine if the arrangement reflects standard market conditions. The rent is set below market value. Market rate arrangements are treated like any other tenancy. Below market rents can limit the expenses you're allowed to claim, often capped at the rent you actually receive. Timing your rental income. Reporting. You report rental income in the same financial year it's paid, whether the payment comes directly to you or to your managing agent. If your agent collects the rent, it's still reported in the year they receive it, not when it's transferred to your account. Reporting based on ownership share. Declare income according to your ownership percentage. Example, if you own half of a property, you include 50% of the rental income in your return. We can assist with identifying the correct section of your tax return, reporting rental income from overseas properties, claiming a foreign income tax offset where applicable. Rental income rules can be detailed, especially if your property is overseas, rented to family, or involves non-cash arrangements. Elite Tax Success ensures your rental income is reported correctly while helping you claim all eligible deductions. Let's get your rental income reporting right from the start. https://successwa.com/08937055515. Tax at successwa.com.